Right guys, welcome to the best video on the internet, how to create professional email. So today we will learn how to create a professional email. First of all, you have to know the what is mean by email. So email means electronic mail. So guys, email means electronic mail, and maybe you are thinking, then what is mean by Gmail? So Gmail is service provided by Google, that is Gmail. Are you clear guys? Email means electronic mail and Gmail is a service which is provided by Google to you. So we will now create a professional email. So professional email contain first name, last name and any two digit. So professional email contain first name, last name and two digit. Okay guys, so if I want to create Gmail for my computer Shikuya channel, so I will create COMPUTER. I will write computer as my first name, SHIKUYA, Shikuya as a last name, and if this domain available, then I will only keep this much part. This much part I will keep only. Okay guys, if this domain is not available, if someone take this domain, then I will add two digit at last. So if I want to add two digit, I will simply add double one at the rate gmail.com. Okay guys, so professional email only contain first name, last name, any two digit at the rate gmail.com. So we will open Chrome browser and I will teach you how to create an professional Gmail. So open your Chrome browser and in search bar you have to enter this, create new Gmail, and hit the enter button. If you enter this in search bar, then you have to click on first website. Okay, after that you have to little bit scroll and create an account. Then this will load and open new website. Okay, this is redirecting to the next page, and here you will get an option create account. Okay, you will click on that option, create account. Gmail is basically used in professional jobs and businesses. Okay, so create an Google account, enter your name. So suppose that I want to create the email for my channel. In your case, you have to enter your name here and last name over here. So I will type my channel name, COMPUTER, computer, and last name as a SHIKUYA, Shikuya, and I will simply enter. After that you have to choose your birth date. Okay, so in my case I will choosing random date of birth and gender also. So Google is suggesting me this email, shukuyacomputer@gmail.com, cshukuya@gmail.com, but I don't like this. I will create my own. So I will type my choice, COMPUTER I will enter this, and after that I will enter @gmail gmail.com and enter. So I think this Gmail is taken by someone. So I will why this. So this is, let me one step back. Computer Shikuya 1111. Google is giving me this mail and I will see. And you have to create your guys password. Make sure password is not your birth date. Make a different password and strong password so that nobody can guess your password. Okay, so we will create a strong password. After that, so verify some information before creating an account. This is saying, this is, this site is saying scan this QR code with your smartphone. So I will scanning this QR code by my smartphone. In your case, you have to scan this QR code by a smartphone, and once you scan this QR code, it will redirect to a browser, and say verify your number, SMS, and all that stuff. So this is the process of creating email. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel.